When I tell Lava, say Lava, she mad. You have to tell Lava, say, I know she mad, but God put the best pussy on her. And God favor her, because God put the best pussy on. Good morning or good afternoon, guys. This is Solaine live and live in color. This is the only page I have. I don't have no other page. You understand? And I'm not fake. If you believe me fake, put your hand in my mouth. Put your hand in my mouth if you think me fake. And see what happen. Anyway, guys, we keep a treat for the children, them. You understand? The 24th. You understand? Give back to this community, because this community bless me a lot. I need a bounce about, so anybody can sponsor a bounce about for the kids. I give them little toys, make them life look happy. Ice cream, we have ice cream, we have ice cream and cake. Who can donate an ice cream and a cake for the children them? That will be grateful. May I give back. And after the treat, we just keep a little party, little something. You understand? I enjoy myself because you know our festive season, Christmas come down the next day of Christmas. So make the children them happy. We keep a treat for the kids them. Anybody can sponsor a bounce about or give me the money let me get a bounce about for the kids them. Ice cream and cake. It will be grateful and give back. You understand? And the sound. You understand? We have the sound already. You understand? I'm going to money for pay for the sound. So we just keep it happy.
No, you have the sound already.
We have the sound already.
You can give my sound.
We have the sound already. It's just a bounce about ice cream and cake and like some toys, some chocolate, some dolly for the kids them. God bless you guys. Love you. Out. Love you guys. Anybody want to come live with me? Everybody are back out for me now. Nobody want to go live with me. It's alright, my fans. Love you. All the fluffy diva will come out at my party. And the slimmers them big up on yourself. And all who not come to
somebody
else
say yeah, give back and you don't have no money. But hold on, let me answer the person. She give back and she not have no money just for thought, just to clean her heart. For sure you say oh her heart clean. Cause she give back and she don't have it. Just for show you. Hold on, somebody she give back and she don't have no money. That is sweet. If I don't have it, I don't not give none at all. She won't give but she don't even have. That's for sure she got blessed.
Girl, we are chat, our boy, we are chat. You don't know nothing about me. Because when me a bank my money, you understand? There's a paper come out when me a bank. And when me a draw, there's a paper come out. All you have to do look on the figure. So you don't know nothing about me. Think me an idiot, girl. Talk up the things, them. Talk again. You understand? You have to talk to my bank book. You understand? Because when me put in my money, there's a paper come out with some figure on it. And when me put in my money, there's a figure come out who much me have in there. So you don't know nothing about me.
Don't make them get you out. She just ask for some help.
That's Solaine, what
not me baby, me there.
You good do?
Must. I want to bust me.
See, you tell me a call you now answer.
No, man.
When you go Mountain View.
Oh, Mountain View. Me busy, man. So
yeah.
The head me if I watch you carry them on the road and them thing there.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what the thing there. But me not this stuff.
A good thing that you do, man. Yeah, man, a good thing that you do, man. Tell the girl to go. I come talk about your money.
Yeah.
Good thing that you go, yeah.
A scam, she wants to
yeah.
Me.
Yeah.
Want to know my business to scam me. You can't scam me.
Yeah. Yeah.
Scam.
Good thing you do, yeah, Solaine. Give back to the kids, them, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, so big up yourself, yeah.
Happy for see them eat one ice cream and I eat piece of cake.
Yeah.
Yeah. And drink one cup of soup. You understand?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what
yeah. Yeah, big up yourself, yeah.
Big up yourself, my daughter.
All right.
Yeah.
Solaine have no cash up. I forgot to make Joseph set up one for her. She don't have that. I forgot to tell Joseph to set up one for her.
When you see what they say, you call him and tell him.
Yeah, me tell him to set up one, to set up a cash up for you and set up a YouTube page for you.
Yeah. Call him that Sunday, Joseph. You want a piece like me? But they are my fans. And all my white man, big up yourself, because you know something I left you. I left you out. You're my goody atty husband. So don't worry yourself about Jamaican man. Because you have it locked.
Somebody say. Hold on, go and talk. She have no PayPal either. I have to ask Joseph to set it up for her. Go and talk, no?
Big up yourself, me atty man with our foreign. Me Muslim man, white man. You have it locked. You have me fretting, because I not hear from you. And you have me stand and cuss me off. So me have man, and you cheer for me. Don't worry about nothing. You have it locked, and you have it like that.
Somebody asks you, what is your favorite color?
Pink and white. My favorite color, pink and white. Any bright color, I love bright color. I just see me black and ugly, but I don't have it in my face, but I have it in my waist.
Jesus. Somebody said, big up yourself, my baby.
Big up
Long
yourself,
time
my
love.
girl. Me there, me atty man, and my good friend, them, maybe fat, fluffy divas, and my maga friend, them, my slimmers. But big up on yourself for this sort of thing there. I got them got me. I got them good because you're in a top form. You know, follow them, keep the one bugger man. But they don't know my name. Oi!
Wagwan.
Me there in a life.
Big up yourself.
Big up yourself, big girl. Big up the girl there with the flat, fluffy diva.
Big up the girl with the good pussy, Solaine.
Big up the girl. Any girl who can't fuck, take a seat for the cocky.
Take a seat for the cocky.
Good as girl, where them there?
Good as girl.
Good as girl.
What do you tell them there?
And that's
God put the best pussy for the mad girl them.
God put the best pussy for the mad girl. I love the thing with the mad.
Yeah, yeah.
Put the best pussy for me.
Solaine, God put the best pussy for the mad girl them.
Oh, you mean? I love the thing with the mad.
I love the thing with the mad.
Put the best pussy for me. So
God put the best pussy for the mad girl them.
Yeah.
See
I
Terry
love the
say.
thing with the mad. Me glad with the mad. Me glad with that one. I'm going to Bellevue.
Solaine is
The pussy.
Solaine
The
is
best
glad
pussy
with the
of
mad.
mine. Oh, my body.
Why?
I have some festive.
Yes, a festive part, Solaine.
I really Christmas. God
See
favor
that girl
me,
them
put the
there,
best pussy
Solaine.
for me. God
See
favor
that
me,
girl
God put
them
the
there.
best pussy for me.
Yeah, God put the best pussy for
I
you.
will
That's
tell
why
you
the boy
about
am
man.
over you. Dolly
Oh,
buddy. Dolly, I watch the live. That God put the best pussy for the mad girl them still on this.
I love the thing with the man. Be glad with the
I love
man.
the thing with the mad.
Whoa. Them
Why?
can't have the best pussy because them the man.
Yeah,
Them
girl.
one and them got Bellevue.
Yeah.
You're so nice.
I
really
yes, so
Christmas
nice.
at
Yes, so
home.
festive bad.
Bad, big girl. Me fluffy girl.
Bad. Solaine, me love you bad. Big up yourself. Tell Joseph me say hi.
Yeah. If you don't have a problem with my pussy, talk to God. Because He put the best pussy for me. Go talk to God. No talk to me. I him, the man up above. Put the best pussy for me. Oi.
Sylvain,
Oi.
Wagwan, you have a good poo poo man there.
Yeah, I got them to talk to. I got put the best pussy for me.
You want Jesus. Leave her, God put the best pussy for the mad girl then, yeah.
But then Jesus great. And Jesus great. And Jesus put the best pussy for me.
See there?
Jesus put
Mad
water
girl.
in the net.
Anything
Jesus
you
put
want
water
to
in the
say.
net.
See there?
Jesus.
We're a good man that we called Dana last night.
Lord God, him mad over me. Lord, I'm to tell you. Him man all beg
If
for
I
me
tell
to
over you,
answer the
no.
call. But me I tell
Sure,
you, I have it
answer him,
like that.
man.
Because me love him bad.
Answer him. Ah, big up Solaine, good man of foreign. We too come and up here down there. And them na man. And them man now come down, come look for them now. Bring nothing for them Solaine. Yeah, go on.
Of course, the girl. I fig one. I God say that.
See it there? Alright, best of yourself.
Best of yourself. No worry about me mad and fool. God favor me till him put the best pussy on me. And God says so. If you don't have a problem, go talk to God. Go ask God, go ball and talk to God and go repent. You don't need to go repent and talk to God. Ask God, say, oh, me no mad and me not have the best pussy. Because God put the best pussy on the mad girl. You don't have a problem with me and my madness. Go talk to God because God put the best pussy on me. The mad one.
Solaine want more.
Love me, baby, me there. And you're so nice. Love me
Alright.
good as girl left there. Every girl can fuck, take a seat for the coffee.
Talk na Solaine, talk. Yeah,
Yeah.
alright, do.
Anytime you don't have a problem with the mad woman, go talk to God and go repent and say, God, me no mad, you don't put the best pussy on me. Make me mad, God, make me mad, that you can put the best pussy on me.
Talk out to your mouth, yeah, right this song.
I don't worry about my mouth, no worry about my mouth. When it come there, the teeth will come. The teeth will come back
Tell
there.
them.
Don't worry about my mouth.
Right this song.
You understand? No worry about me and my blackness. Because me not have it in my face, but me have it in my waist.
Yeah, girl, make them know, Solaine. Make them know. Tell the things, them, Solaine. We are
I'm
cheer
a
for you.
auntie.